the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole.
And the winner is...
Popcaan!
Alright, so listen, let's talk about fame. Let's talk about success. Let's talk about a certain level of achievement. Trust me, tell us, yo, a whole heap of artists, the panda list here, but the level of achievement when they reach in their career, I tell us, yo, if Popcaan na top of list, he at least in the top 3. Zane, now people, let's have a conversation. And the see boss all up in mobile awards, right? Even them time, they even sure if Popcaan, that's a cartel blood clot, hold on. They even sure if Popcaan could I even imagine or even predict when career go end up, is amazing. When the man win the mobile awards, the man career had already solidified in the sense that the man had already achieved international fame, acclaim, and already big in the UK market. Because I can tell the mobile awards over this I keep seeing. People, when the man stays and get signed to OVO, get the co-sign from Drake, people are saying, yo, this is a youth career, this is a take off, and it's like it doesn't have no limit. And plus the fruits I'm labor to people don't speak volumes, don't speak success. You see me? You see the houses, you see the cars, multiple Range Rovers, dog just closed from the house and a gone over there. So you see me? Like my rating people, you have to give credit where it's due. Zane, now recently I do an interview on the boss, Ebro from At 97. Now Ebro is a big DJ and radio host back in New York. So when I say Ebro flying to Jamaica, one do an interview with Poppy, you know the things that go on people.
You know, I found this guy, Popcaan,
Wagwan.
in Jamaica.
Yeah, no.
Listen, I come to Jamaica a lot, you know what I'm saying, for a long time. But this is the first time I had to hunt somebody down in the jungle. Yeah, on the other side. I had to come find you, you know? Salute on Unruly Fest, bro.
Respect, brother.
All the legends came out, too. How did that feel?
I can't really explain the feelings still, but...
Yo, you stressed?
No stress.
It was smooth. He came in on a crane with it looked like a moon man. It was like a reflective moon man suit.
I love how you forward and get the experience for yourself, brother, because people telling you is sound good, you seeing it on the Instagram, it look good, but you being there is a different thing, Being there in the atmosphere and the energy is high.
Went till 6 in the morning.
Yeah.
Now as I say people, Ebro flying at 10 Unruly Fest, Shwe Dog support, and seek him out for an interview. But man, as I tell you, Ebro I don't know like a play DJ, Ebro, I'm gonna sit down and talk to legends, man. We talk about people like Chris Brown, You see me, we talk about big people in the game, I wanna see a man like Ebro come down here and seek out him, man. You know, say a man carried up on a different level. That's why I read the title, bad man. Popcaan career the Lightyears. I had enough other dancehall artists. And people, as me say, dancehall artists. So get it right, not get it twisted, see? Now, one of us bear this in mind. A few other dancehall artists could have pulled off what a man pull off with Unruly Fest. You see the level of influence the way a man have. You see the level of success the way a man achieve. Which part of the man career there right now, it's not normal. The crowd of the man can draw. Brother, that takes some Buju Banton, some Vybz Kartel, them greats there to pull off that. But see, entrance alone, the man when they make a statement and show him up on a different level. Zane, no pun intended, but what you know? The man did a portray, say yo, the stagecraft, what the man I put on the Unruly Fest at international levels, them the people. You know, see no like a 1 and 2 man run this country, bitch up them little thing up on a stage. No, brother. The last time I said something like this, and when Michael Jackson was still alive and the dog arrived on the stage and the moon suit, I say, yo, Jano. And that's a way back when. I have to say Popcaan can do something like this, brother. Yo, when I say greatness, man, you have to recognize it and give credit where it's due, people.
Do you know how proud Kartel is of you?
Yeah, I know. I know the respect where man for me. He's a man who bet for me from morning. Him did already tell the world, say, yo, Popcaan, I gotta do this. It's no surprise to him. Him know me great long time. Him could have seen it from a minute. I sing on the stage. And the way I operate around the studio at daytime is like, him see me as a free soul.
Do you know how proud Kartel is of you?
Yeah, I know. I know the respect where man for me. He's a man who bet for me from morning. Him did already tell the world, say, yo, Popcaan, I gotta do this. It's no surprise to him. Him know me great long time. Him could have seen it from a minute. I sing on the stage. And the way I operate around the studio at daytime is like, him.
Now, obviously, him pay homage to Vybz, because we don't know say Kartel gaming start. But you know the other person why I'm now left out and interview them people.
Drake, me and my crew talk about this every time, fam. Yo, the man do a thing, brother. We make me respect him for life, fam. When we going at the club, there was a table there, and the man forward and take up all of the cup them off of the table, brother. Himself. Man, I look upon him and I say, yo, this is a youth like myself. Him remind me of myself because that's something more that do same way, you see me?
Hospitality, manners.
Yeah, so that alone, me just rate him. I not even know that. I never ever said that to him either. That me say is a genuine youth, you see me?
Yeah.
And he proved that to me over and over, even when he fought at Jamaica annually fest. Like Drake set a different bar. Like Drake support dancehall music a lot. Him already a shed light on dancehall culture by shedding light on Popcaan. We have to big up Drake always.
Yo, Poppy always has seen Drake praises. You see me? Big and serious though. When I feel saying big up Drake or big up Kartel, a man who send him a road. Or I feel say just because Drake can do more for his career internationally. Because enough people saying give Drake more credit than, you see me, than why give World Boss and the man who actually boss him, you know. Is it? You hear what the man said through the interview? Drake set a different bar. I feel big up Drake always. Personally, I just feel say, yo, he just impressed by the level of success what Drake can bring. You see it? Because I always say, yo, nothing what Drake can do for him right now, you know. And nothing what he couldn't achieve on his own, you know. It does forward quicker when he get Drake support. You see me I say? But yo, that's my take on it was still. I'm not lie. That was a phenomenal interview. I'm proud of him. Yo, with the man reach line career, I know it's a enough, if not every dancehall artist attain for reach. You see me I say? But as I said, that's my take on it was still. When me hear yours in the comment section, you see me I will just have a conversation. Now with that being said, so like and share the video people. Let me know what the next conversation could be about. You see me? So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And we do it again tomorrow. Zane, I'm out.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s.